A number of developments tonight in the gun epidemic facing this country, including a new warning from Homeland Security to be on the alert for domestic terrorists who may be in a copycat state of mind after the recent spate of gun massacres.
The campaign to push for tighter gun control ramping up big time in Washington. New York's mayor headed to the Capitol tomorrow to testify before Congress, and the House voting tomorrow on a gun control package.
And one issue with no agreement yet, lowering the federal age to be able to buy an assault rifle. Lots going on. Eyewitness News reporter Jim Dolan in the newsroom. Jim?
Sade, in Washington, discreetly, in whispers behind closed doors, Democrats are meeting with Republicans to see if there is any appetite at all for doing something that would prevent guns from getting into the wrong hands. But it is Washington, and so it is slow sledding. Uvalde native Matthew McConaughey lent his star power today to a push in Washington to pass meaningful gun legislation, and he seemed optimistic.
This moment is different. We are in a window of opportunity right now that we have not been in before. A window where it seems like real change can happen.
Mr. McConaughey may not have spoken to Republicans.
I think it's way too soon to start predicting how many are going to vote for it. We don't have an agreement yet, and so I don't want to speculate about how many of my members might support it. Step one is to try to get a deal.
Or Democrats.
But unfortunately, the NRA has had a hammerlock on too many on the other side of the aisle.
Optimism is not blossoming in Washington like the cherry blossoms in spring, but the hard work to do something that is not nothing on gun violence continues. And some hope, with so many mass shootings recently, now could be the time.
Parents and kids are really worried about their safety. And they're equally worried that the adults who run the country aren't serious about protecting our communities and our schools. This, to me, feels like a moment where doing nothing is simply not an option.
Behind closed doors, Democrats are trying to find out what Republicans will budge on, strengthening background checks or providing incentives for states to enact red flag laws and providing federal funding for added security and mental health. Clearly, local governments are looking for the federal government to lead.
These are important times for us, and I need help in all of these bodies. I need help in the state, I need help in the city, and I need help on the federal level. I'm going to Washington tomorrow to testify in front of Congress. New Yorkers and the people of this city and country deserve the help from lawmakers.
We may know how much Republicans are willing to loosen their grip on their guns soon.
Senator Murphy has said to me that he hopes to come to an agreement with Senator Cornyn and the other Republicans by the end of the week, and I'm willing to give him that time.
We need background checks. We need to raise the minimum age to purchase an AR-15 rifle to 21. We need a waiting period for those rifles. We need red flag laws and consequences for those who abuse them.
Tomorrow, the House will vote on a series of measures related to gun availability, but no one is expecting much progress there, though the effort in the Senate may result in some measure 10 Republicans can agree on later in the week. Meanwhile, the nation braces for a coming Supreme Court ruling that some fear could allow the open carry of guns anywhere in the country, including New York.